Hi, Scott and Rick here with 802 Outdoor Adventures up on Buffalo Brook today, and we're just going to scratch around here in a spot that we've been to before. We're going to show you what we get regardless of even if we get anything. So we're going to keep it real today, so to speak, and we'll see what we find. We're all set up. We got the bazooka today, we got the small reaper today, and we're just going to start shoveling into it, and we'll be back on the first clean out. Anything to add, Rick?
Nope.
Nope. All right. He says quit talking, get shoveling. We'll be back with some gold, or not. So Rick just pointed out to me that today he has the 36-inch sniper by Bazooka. Of course, they don't make these anymore, and he picked it up for a good deal on eBay, so it's a nice running rig. And is this the first voyage for this? Since you bought it, is this the first time you've used it?
No, I've used this one a few times.
Okay, this one's
used. The only one I haven't used is that 36-inch reaper.
Oh, is it? What is this one? The 30?
This is a Bazooka sniper for 30-inch.
Okay. 30-inch, excuse me.
A little lighter to carry in.
Yeah.
I'm not getting any on.
Well, there we go. The 30-inch Bazooka sniper.
And then you got the.
Then I've got the regular bazooka. Yeah, my busted up bazooka that took a ride down the stream a couple years ago. Every winter I said I'm going to fix it. Every winter I don't fix it. So anyway, enough yapping, more shoveling. All right, one teeny speck of gold right there. I'm trying to get it. Well, anyway. Oh, there's another one on the other side. So we're seeing some signs. Trying out a new, like a macro lens for this camera. There's Rick doing his, he's shoveling into classifier and then into his sniper. He also glued a mat in his. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to work with this thing some more. Can't get it to focus. Woo!
It's all that yellow rock.
Come on, baby. You can. There we go. I didn't see any in there.
Yeah, I neither.
Oh, little shot downstream. Beautiful day today. Little shot upstream. All right, here's to keeping it real.
It's probably a bucket I dumped through there.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell if we're in focus or.
Not seeing it. Oh, there's one little piece there. Imagine that.
Oh yeah, there it is.
I was just going to move upstream. I may still. That's all about it.
Yeah, it's pretty thin pickings in here.
Yeah, that's what
I don't know if I can see that flat rock right. I can't get my finger in there. Right on the tip of my finger, there's a big flat rock that sticks out. I know we found gold around that thing before.
I'm thinking little step right there.
Oh, you're not going far. You're just going to go right here. Yeah, I'm going to dig another half hour here, and then I've got a fairly large part of that gravel pulled out of there. I want to get down into here.
Well, I got a piece of gold.
Rick's on the board.
Jay's not totally finished yet.
Not yet. Well, there it is. Rick and I were just saying we've had a lot worse days than that on Buffalo. But that's just some little stuff. Anyway, we will. I'm going to step up the river. I'm going to go just above my bucket there by about 10 feet. Reset the bazooka, and we're going to try this again.
You ever up here at the sucker club? Want to get everything out of it.
I think that's going to be as good as it gets.
Yeah.
Rick found this, it's almost a perfectly round hole in the bedrock here. I don't know if that was something that they drilled years ago, used it for some kind of an anchor, or if they were just
have an anchor because it's on an angle,
blowing a hole down through there just for a test. I don't know. It sure doesn't look like a natural one.
No.
Yeah, pretty cool.
There wasn't any gold in it.
No gold in it. Rick dug it out. Well, I'm just about ready to do a clean out, so.
Okay, I'm going to go to plan C.
Uh-oh, Rick's going to plan C. Didn't have anything in your last pan?
2 microns.
2 microns. I missed it. Well, let's take a walk up here, and I moved up the stream and I got a couple of rocks out, and I am as deep in the hole as my boots will let me dig. Right in there. There is gold. I've been test panning and I've gotten a few microns here and there. Just surrounded by big, huge rocks. It's really mucky, hard packed stuff down there. So I'm gonna do a clean out. We'll be back and we'll show you the gold. If this bazooka did its job, we'll have some microns. Hoping there's something a little bit bigger than a micron, but hey, the only way to tell is to pan it, right? Let's go. There you go. Not bad. That guy right in the middle of the center of the screen right there, the darkie, that's a nice little chunky piece. Well, at least we're getting some gold here. Don't know if you can really see it down in there. That's deep. There it goes. That is pretty deep. So I'm just going to keep working the dirt down into the hole and scooping it out best I can. Still a beautiful day. I think I'm going to go for another hour. Well, I'm going to run back down the hill and get my container and dump that all off to be processed later. Alright, stay tuned. Well, not so good. Let's see if this will... There you go. I guess the deeper I go in that hole, the less gold I'm getting. So next time I come back here, I may continue on and start working my way out towards the middle. I'm down there farther than my boots will allow me to go. I'm just getting stuff loosened up with the shovel and getting as big a scoop out as I can. That is all for me for today. We could take a quick walk down. Let's take a quick walk down here. See what Rick's doing. I think he's playing around in the bedrock. Whoa. Try not to fall down here. Oh, not very good.
So far, it's one small piece out of there and one light drop. This is it. A lot of black sand.
Yeah, that was my last one. Figured I'd come up and
see all the big gold.
See if you're, yeah.
Thought that might be a good spot.
All that good bedrock, cracked gold.
Oh, there's a little light drop.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah.
Alright, if I clean that up before I post this video, I'll show you the gold. All together, that is. But I don't plan on doing, I've got a lot of stuff to do, that's why I'm leaving early. If this video goes out before I go to New Hampshire, I am headed to New Hampshire. The Northeast Prospectors group on Facebook is doing a gathering up on the Wild Dam Manusic, based out of Twin River Campground. And I'm going to go to that and camp for, make it a 3-day weekend. So I'm headed up on Thursday, not this coming Thursday. Well, it doesn't matter when this video, I forgot what the date is. It's like the 12th through the 15th or something. Anyway, of May. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to sign off on this beautiful, beautiful day. Love it in this weather. Bugs are just starting to come out. I don't love that. So y'all be good, be kind, and just remember when you're gold panning, don't get in another man's hole. They don't like that. See you, bye.